Hey there fellas, what's up and welcome to this new video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Cryptomania app. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I will recommend you subscribe real quick to never miss anything trending content from us. So guys, without any further ado, we start right after the intro. Okay guys, so Cryptomania is one of the trading simulators that most of us have always loved using. In fact, it is one of the best ways to get started with trading, with stocks trading. So if you haven't downloaded the app yet, you can download it from the Play Store, and once you download the app, you just need to open it. It is a free app. Just click on the app to open it, and this is how the app appears. So guys, one thing you should know about this app is it is an ad-based app. Means in almost everything you have to do, you obviously have to watch a video ad. So this is actually the one way of getting paid for their services, for their free services, and I think it's somewhat legitimate when it comes to learning free stuff like this, learning through free stuff like this. So I'm going to make a quick tour through the app for a better understanding. So we'll go step by step for each of these sections, and the first section we're going to start with is the dividends tab. So you just, once you download the app, just open it. You follow the sign up steps. You have to select your language. After selecting your language, you'll be asked to get a free spin, which you actually to watch an ad for a free spin, which is actually going to give you the money you can find right up here. As for me, I received a 13k bonus. So for you can get something different. It depends on the app. So once you open the app, you just click first on the dividends tab. Okay guys, this is another way to actually get some free money that you can use with this simulator. So within this panel, within this tab, you can actually get a free spin, which is actually going to cost you an ad of from 15 to 30 seconds. Yeah, from 15 to 13 seconds. So with this free spin, you actually have to watch an ad to get any of the bonuses you see on the spin table. You can see the bonuses of $500 to $5,000 and coins from $1 to $20. So what you have to do is you just need to click on the spin right down here. It's going to load an ad. Okay, so we've watched the first ad. Now on the second one, let me just make that sound. Alright, great. So it has actually loaded the two ads we were required to watch. So I'm just going to close this, and now you can see the spin is actually spinning. So while we fall on, oh, one coin. So we actually got 5 coins. On your case it might be different. On my previous spin I got $5,000, so it might be different in your case. I'm just going to collect this and I'm done with this tab. Alright, so guys, you see actually how you can get some dividends through the app. You just need to watch video ads in order to get dividends. As I said earlier, the app is based on ads. So I'm going to go to the next tab, which is the daily reward. This daily reward is actually where you actually collect your free bonus for every day that God has created. Yeah, so for my day 1, you can see I've already collected 25 coins. Day 2 is going to be something different, and day 3 will be 2k, and that's just how it's going to go until day 25. So just go to this section. If it's your first time to use this app, just go to this section and collect your daily reward. And the next tab is the challenges tab. So guys, this is where you actually enter into tournaments or somewhat challenges with other crypto traders in order to earn like more money from the app. So this challenges tab is just made to like enter challenges with other users and actually get some bonuses. And the shop tab, guys, this shop tab is actually where you use your real money to purchase this simulated money within the app. So this is just where you get to buy some dividends, let me say that way, which you'll be able to use within the app. So you can see this price right here is $2.15. You just got to, if you really need this, you just got to use your real money to pay it. It's going to use Google Play, so everything is really secure. And next is the auction tab. So this auction is actually where competitors or where users enter competitive prices to win the bigger share. So as you can see, the current price right here is 55.1k. So if we go to the bid tab to see what other users have bid, you can see the latest bid was 55.1k. So if you are looking to enter into this to get like real value within the auction market, you just got to enter something that's higher than what the others have entered. It is actually a competitive market, yeah. So you can place a bid. As you can see, it is 56.1k right now. That's because if you scroll to the bid list, you see the latest one was 55.1. That's the highest bid that has already been there. So for you to stand out a chance, you need to bid something that's higher than the latest bid. Yeah, that's just how you get to do. And once you've entered your bid, you can enter more than this. You can edit it and enter more than that. Once you enter your bid, you just place the bid. So the next is the top investors. Alright, so this top investors tab is where you see the top investors actually that have invested within this simulator. So this is where the top investors from all around the world have come within the app and invested some of their virtual money. So that's just what this investors tab is all about. You can equally invest. And as for this premium tab, is where you actually get to subscribe to the simulators plans in order to benefit from its premium offers. So within the premium tab, you wouldn't have to watch any ad for any feature. You have an increased order limit and more multiplier options available. Equally, your account gets highlighted on the leaderboard, so that's actually crazy. As you can see down, you pay via Google Pay, so everything is top secured. And here comes the interesting part, the trades tab. So as you can see, I actually have an active trade. So well, we start right with the trading. So we just got to click on the start trading if it's your first time, and here you're going to be you enter right within the trade market. So as you can see on this top pane here, the total is actually the total amount you have left in your account that you can trade with. As we previously saw my account tab, you saw I had 13k, and that's actually what's available within this trade tab here. And you can see 13k, and I have one active trade left, which is right here. And here is here you can select the coins, the Clash coins you can actually use for trading. So depending on your preferences, you can select anything of your choice. You can bet the most common and most popular are usually Bitcoin, BTC and USD. And here, selecting my tab to see actually the speed at which you can trade. And here is the interesting part of the trade. The horizontal, which actually indicates the time, and the vertical, which indicates the price fluctuation. So as you can see, trading at this time is actually going to take you into some kind of loss. As you can see, the price tag is going down, but you can actually trade when the chart is indicating a green star, but that doesn't actually alters the market value. As you all know, as a professional trader, you can know that trading the stock market is something that always fluctuates. There is no fixed value in this market, and obviously doing this usually comes with have simulators like this that let us be in real time simulating us into the stuff for us to get a better understanding before having to deal with our real phones. And yeah, to enter the market, enter the stock market, you can actually sell your stocks if you have some, or you can buy. But since it's your first time, you always have to buy stuff. So you just click on this buy and you enter the amount. So we're just going to wait for this app to load, skip the first ad. Alright, great. So yeah, you just enter the amount. You can enter something, but minimum should be 5k. So I'll just enter 2k, and the multiplier, you can select your multiplier. Should it be 5 times 5 times 8, which actually goes to the premium plan, but by default for new users it's always going to be by 5. So I'll just recommend you let it be there. If you want to know more about it, you can see it's a coefficient by which your initial investment is multiplied. This way you can trade with a much higher amount than the one you actually have. If your initial investment is $1,000 and you use a 10 multiplier, you can trade as if you have $10,000. So guys, I hope you understand that point. So the multiplier actually multiplies your current bid value or your current trade amount you enter within the simulator. So depending on the multiplier, you're going to get some extra trade. So just click on knock, and this take profit is one of the players that is actually very important in the stock market. So this tool allows you to set the amount of profit you plan to get. Once the desired level is reached, the trade closes automatically. So yes, your take profit is actually what you set as a default profit, that instructing the simulator that okay, once my profit reaches this limit, you end the trade. Let's say you enter a stock market of, let's say you bid $1,000 and you set your profit to something like $20,000. No, let me not go that far. Let me say to $5,000. Okay, this take profit is going to instruct the simulator that okay, once I reach $5,000, you end the trade. I hope you got the point. That's just how this take profit is. And the second is stop loss. So this stop loss is the tool that allows you to set the maximum amount of loss. So since we're entering a $2,000 stock market, you just have to set something like minimum should be, if you are ready to bear the risks, your minimum should be really something around $500. So you're actually instructing the app that okay, when stocks are falling within the market, at this time of $500 left in my account, stop my trade for me not to acquire more losses. So once you stop your trade, you're actually going to be out of the market. I hope you got the point. Alright, so yeah, you can enter your take profit. You can enter something of, let's say, $20,000, and the stop loss, as we earlier said, $500, and then you just tap on buy. Great, the trade has been opened and we're actually in the market. As I said earlier, these ads are really annoying at times. As I said earlier, you can see right now the stock, yeah, you can see the market is actually falling. So trading at this moment isn't a good idea. But if you're ready to bear the risks, knowing that market can change at any time, you can always trade, which is what I just did. And thankfully I did it just through a simulator, the Cryptomania. So guys, if you want to check your trade, you can actually come here and you see what's actually falling within the trade. You can see this is the trade I just placed. This is a trade I just placed, and you can see what I'm actually losing within that market. And when the amount is going to reach $500, I will be actually getting out of the market. I'll be taken out of the market, and my trade is going to stop. Also, you can close it manually if you see you're actually already losing more than what you were expecting. It just depends on you. So this simulator is all about teaching you how to the diversity of the stock market and how to better understand it before having to trade with your real money. So guys, there's nothing more about this trading simulator. It is just a simulator, as earlier said. So guys, we've come to the end of our video. I hope you've got every point on this trading simulator. If you haven't, you can always ask within the comment section. I will be more than pleased to respond to you. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.